आज हम खड़े हैं डीएवी स्कूल हांसी के खूबसूरत से प्रांगण के अंदर। डीएवी स्कूल का नाम लेते ही कुछ ऐसी एलुमनाइज की याद आती है, एमिनेंट पर्सनैलिटीज़ की हमें याद आती है जो यानी कि डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशन से पढ़कर निकले हैं। जैसे कि हमारे पूर्व प्राइम मिनिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, पूर्व प्राइम मिनिस्टर मनमोहन सिंह और वर्तमान में राष्ट्रपति राम कोविंद जी भी इसी से हैं। इसमें कितनी ऐसी पर्सनालिटीज़ दी हैं ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने, जिसमें जगजीत सिंह गज़ल गायक हैं, हंसराज हंस हैं, विभिन्न और अनुपम खेर जी हैं। ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस यानी कि पूरे देश के अंदर 1100 हैं। और आज हम हांसी के खूबसूरत यानी कि एक वन ऑफ द लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशन जो कि डाटा रोड पर स्थित है, उसके खूबसूरत से प्रांगण में खड़े हैं। और आइए हम बात करते हैं यहाँ की एक एजुकेशनिस्ट प्रिंसिपल जो कि वन ऑफ द लीडिंग एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं, कमल शर्मा। उनसे जानते हैं कि डिजिटल एजुकेशन जो लॉकडाउन के अंदर चल रही है उसका क्या अभिप्राय है और किस तरह से आप यानी कि घरों में बंद बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं। एंटर कर रहे हैं, ये सामने बिल्कुल आप देख रहे हैं महर्षि दयानंद जी की आदमकद प्रतिमा है और सामने ये बोर्ड लगा है डीएवी हरियाणा आनंद स्वामी सेंचुरी पब्लिक स्कूल, जिसका उद्घाटन हुआ उसका पूरा आपको दिखा रहे हैं। एक खूबसूरत सा यानी कि वातावरण है। आइए मैडम से जानते हैं। डीएवी स्कूल जो एक शिक्षा का मंदिर है, वन ऑफ द लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन है। डीएवी स्कूल हांसी के अंदर बैठे हैं और वर्दी प्रिंसिपल कोमल शर्मा जी से जानेंगे जो इस स्कूल की प्राचार्या हैं कि स्कूल के अंदर ये डीएवी स्कूल हम बता दें कि डाटा रोड हांसी पर स्थित है और एक खूबसूरत सी इसकी एक बिल्डिंग है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, यहाँ ग्रीनरी भी है, सब कुछ है। लेकिन लॉकडाउन के दौरान 80 दिन हो गए हैं, लॉकडाउन के दौरान बच्चे घरों में बंद हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं स्कूल की वर्दी प्रिंसिपल कोमल शर्मा जी से कि इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में आप कैसे स्कूल में बच्चों को स्टडी कराती हैं घर बैठे, क्या आप मोड ऑफ स्टडी रहता है, क्या डिजिटल या ऑनलाइन पे सारा आपने कन्वर्ट कर दिया है। सबसे पहले तो कोमल शर्मा जी आपका स्वागत है हांसी की आवाज़ पे।
नमस्कार, थैंक यू सर।
वन ऑफ द एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं आप, डिस्ट्रिक्ट की अन्य स्कूलों में भी आपने काम किया है, तो आपका नाम है, अभिवादन करते हैं, इस्तकबाल करते हैं आपका, अभिनंदन।
थैंक यू सर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से माई थैंक्स टू हांसी की आवाज़ चैनल and to Mr. Rajiv ji to give us platform to express our views on education during lockdown period. Thank you sir, thanks a lot for giving us platform.
Madam, my question is this: during this global pandemic, schools are not opening. All students are locked up in the houses. So how you maintain the study?
So first of all, I would like to inform you that schools are open. Schools are not closed. Only schools buildings are closed because all the functions of schools are going on as it is. We are teaching them online.
Virtual classes are going on?
Yes sir. Our digital classes are going on. Earlier we were using WhatsApp groups. Each class has its WhatsApp group and we used it for sending important messages to the parents and homework. But now all the classes are carried on WhatsApp group. Teachers prepare their short videos, lessons and teaching them virtually.
What's your method of the digital studying? How you can manage it?
So very easily. I trained my teachers in such a way that they can teach their students according to the timetable. First of all, we prepared timetable.
Yeah.
And because this lockdown has been started from 24th of March. But schools were school buildings were closed from
80 days lockdown.
Yes sir. From 19th March 2020, school buildings were closed. So we prepared in this period the planning that we'll declare our annual result virtually, digitally, and we did this. And then in the given schedule of date sheet, which we supply to the parents in Feb.
Okay.
So schools were open, our school was open on 2nd of April, and from 2nd of April we are doing our teaching as it is,
As it is. Digital mode.
digital, on digital.
On digital mode.
Yes, sir.
You can't say that your school is open. Here virtually open.
Sir, school functioning is open.
School functioning.
Yeah, school is functioning as it is. All the periods are being conducted by the teachers, and I have added in every group. I'm admin of the groups, and I motivate to the teachers for their good, and I observe the teacher if she or he is lagging behind somewhere, so I guide them, and I'm very
Now you are explaining about your teacher. I would like to ask a question about the Rulerite and the small junior classes students. They can grasp the online and digital mode study. Yeah?
Sir, I'm very happy to tell you that our small kids, tiny tots, LKG, lower kindergarten, UKG, first, second, they are participating without hesitation. They are sending their videos, doing homework, telling us their oral work, and definitely they are doing very well. And even their parents are very excited to use this kind of teaching. You can go our YouTube channel, DAV MS, and see, we have posted some videos of parents.
You are very much ensure कि we all students, most of the students from the Rulerite area, remote areas, they are well equipped with the smartphone and the Android phone and networking.
So network issues are always there, and few students from a class 1 or 2, they are that we are not having phone or we have poor connectivity, but I am sure that we are doing very well and we are getting their response. We conducted home tests and we got good response. Even we are getting parents comments, they praise our teaching, and they are also involved in the teaching learning process, because parents now are observing what we are teaching and how students are learning. So I think 99% of our school students are well connected with us, and they are very happy with this online.
Interaction with the students to the teachers is proper or not proper?
Yes.
I would like to ask again, consistently I am saying that, how much you are ensure, being a head of the institution, you are satisfied with your digital study or online study?
Sir, digital studies cannot replace the real teaching.
Physical study.
100% not. But it is achieving 80%, 90% of learning phase also, that our students are learning and we are getting response from their side, and our teachers have been given instruction that if any parent want to connect with them, want to clarify, want any doubt clearance, so our teachers have given them proper time. We have fixed a timetable that in this period
my
you
next
can
question-
connect to the teacher and ask anything.
Thank you. My next question is that कि what achievement your students gain in sports and online study? Online you have conducted the online यानी कि center level exam competition, drawing competition and other competition, model competition.
Yes sir, many online
Haven't
tests.
haven't your student has participated in this competition yet?
Yes, many online competitions were carried on by different organizations, and our student got second prize in all India at all India level in drawing and painting. Vedika.
Vedika.
Yes, she is from second class. She
So-
got second position all over India.
मैं हिंदी में पूछता हूँ कि मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत वीक है, तो मैं जानना चाहूँगा मैडम कि ये डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो ये किससे एफिलेटेड है, कितनी यानी कि ऐसी एलुमनाइज यहाँ से निकल के आई हैं, तो कैसा चल रहा है आपका यहाँ से का स्टूडेंट?
So it's very well. We established this school in 2017, and it is affiliated with HBSC board at present, and this year it will turn into a secondary school. And alumni, if we talk about alumni of the DAVians,
Yeah.
at present we are having President Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He is a DAVian. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is a DAVian. Indra Kumar Gujral ji and Dr. Manmohan Singh, Kalpana Chawla, Kapil Dev, MS Dhoni, Shah Rukh Khan.
Stop. You have elaborated so many names of the eminent personality.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm telling you local. Mr. Naveen Jindal.
Naveen Jindal.
He is also alumni
Myself
of
also,
DAV.
yeah.
Okay. Thanks. And Kejriwal ji.
हाँ.
So there are so many alumni from DAV.
चलो मैं टॉपिक बदलता हूँ. Now in this global pandemic, what message you are going to give the masses here?
My message is to all my society, my parents, my students, that the time is a critical time. We are going through a pandemic, but every black cloud has a silver line. This will also pass on and will be recorded in our memory, that how we'll overcome from this critical time. So be safe, adopt all the measures like the guidelines from Ayush Mantralaya, social distancing, mask, and be safe, be happy, healthy.
मैडम मैं एक क्वेश्चन भूल गया था. How you manage the fees here? Your school is going on financial crisis.
Definitely, sir. As Haryana government has
What is the
guided-
mode of your fees getting?
So physically we collect fees, and some parents are there who give us online fees.
How much you are getting a tuition fee or annual charges also? Yeah?
So only we are charging tuition fees as per state guidelines, state governments. We are not charging any type of building fund, annual charges. No, sir. We are just taking tuition fees from the students.
How much you are hopeful that school will open?
So government will take this decision.
Devi ji, can you predict about the opening of the school?
So as the recent guideline has come that after 15th of August situation will be observed what will happen. So government will take any decision, will follow that. At present I can't predict.
Your digital study and online study is going on.
Yes, sir, it is going on very well, and school is planning to organize summer camp also.
Summer camp.
Yes, sir.
What about your teachers camp seminar?
Yes, sir, we are going to organize teachers in service training program from 23rd of June to 25th, 2020. Yes, sir, 3
Thank
days.
you, Madam Komal Sharma. You have elaborated the things in well-versed manner in an English also. Yeah, I am not having such a fluent in an English,
Thank you, sir.
but you elaborated the things in a well-versed manner. I express my gratitude to you coming with my media Hansi
Thank
Ki
you, sir.
Awaaz. God bless all of you, all of your students and all of you also. मैं मेरे रिपोर्टर रवि सैनी और एडिटर अजय सैनी के साथ बताए देता हूं कि डीएवी इंस्टीट्यूशन एक बहुत यानी कि एक ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशन है जिसकी 1100 ब्रांचेस मैंने भी बताया था कि हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया, और ये भी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन अपने शहर की है. तो यहाँ भी अच्छी शिक्षा दी जाती है, मॉरल शिक्षा भी होती है, और साथ साथ यहाँ बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए यहाँ करवाया जाता है. लेकिन लॉकडाउन के अंदर बच्चे हैं तो अब डिजिटल मोड पे सारा स्कूल आ गया है. ईश्वर जाने, हम तो इतना ही कहेंगे, ना उदासी का चेहरा, ना उदासी का लम्हा किसी के पास आए. दुआ करो कि ये कोरोना जल्द ही इस देश से भाग जाए. नमस्कार दोस्तों, फिर मिलते हैं एक नए कार्यक्रम में और एक ऐसी ही शिक्षाविद के साथ. करते